Learn how to create a ScreenFlow and a QR code. So ScreenFlow is when we record our screen just as we're doing here, and this is going to be handy when you're creating your PowerPoint presentation because part of the honors requirement is that you record your updated PowerPoint presentation. So it's kind of a way to exhibit what you've learned through our learning when it comes to presenting information. So how do I create a ScreenFlow? If you've noticed, you're going to need the QuickTime player here. And the QuickTime player has a really fun option where if you just go to File, your third option is a new screen recording. What that's going to do is it's going to give you the option of just doing a selected portion of the screen or the entire screen. And right here, instead of capture, it'll say record. And when you're in your options, you can link your microphone to that, give access to your camera, so on and so forth. And so this becomes the way in which you record your screen and create a video from that. And once you've done that, right here in the corner, you'll have a QuickTime movie pop up on the window, and it'll have everything that you just did in your recorded space. And it becomes this really quick video of your presentation. Once you have that, you're obviously going to upload it to YouTube or to some other file sharing application. The tricky thing is, though, your portfolios are actually going to be printed on paper. So in digital sharing, say for instance, if it was an email or a Google document, when you do that, it actually sets you up where you could hyperlink. But on a piece of paper, how do you hyperlink? Well, that's where the QR code comes in. So we're going to learn how do we take that video and then make it accessible to someone that is just putting a piece of paper together for the reader. And the QR code then is going to require us to open up our browser. We're going to type up QR code, and specifically we're going to use QR Code Monkey, and it's QR Code Monkey as a website that's free. If you click on the link, it takes you to the site, and it shows you here's what a QR code looks like. And what you're going to do very simply is once you upload your video to YouTube or some other file sharing platform, you just take the URL and put it here. If you notice up here, there's also a tab for specifically a YouTube video. Then you can put your YouTube link here. You can also change the color of the QR code. You can add an image or logo to that QR code. And lastly, you can even customize the shape of the QR code here. Once you do that, you hit create QR code and it gives you this, and this image you're going to want to save, download it, and that becomes the thing that you put on the document. So your printed up page will have this QR code on it that Rika and I can then just point our cameras to, and it'll take us directly to your video. So it's a really cool way of hyperlinking something in real time, if you will. That's the best way I can describe it. And for the future, I mean, this isn't just applicable to a video. You can also put in text, your email, a virtual business card. So it's a real handy way to make digital information accessible in real time on paper. So once you've ScreenFlowed, as we showed you a minute ago, and uploaded that to YouTube or whatever file sharing platform you're going to use, then you come here to qrcode-monkey.com and create your own QR code that you're going to put on your portfolio so that we can access your PowerPoint presentation. So good luck with all of that, and good luck with your portfolio.